This is just showing you here that the lock and unlock has the light in it, and I was just playing around with a few other options. Just put my own little courtesy lights in, so they turn off when you close the door, like that. Or I can physically turn it off. These came out of an AU Falcon, sitting there quite nicely in the corner there. And neon that I put in some time ago. But yeah, I had the door off today to change that bulb there, and I noticed that the light here wasn't working on this one, so I just thought I'd show you. Easy enough to pop out. Just get yourself a tool that you normally use for fixing an iPad or something, or strong bit of plastic. You can just kind of like wedge it in there, like so. Get these little buggers to come up. The back one doesn't have a light in it, unfortunately. It does have lights in there that I've put in. Which way is it? You can see red lights in there that I've put in, kind of like custom fit behind it. But this guy here doesn't have a working light in it, so I'm about to put one in. So I'll do that. So ran out of power in the camera yesterday, so just had to finish this off now. And you can't really see the light changing there, can you? See that it's on there. I'll put some shit off. So that's how you change the light in that little guy there. Just get your little plastic toothpick. Just get your plick or one of those little plastic knives. Just push it into the corner. It pops up a little bit, and you can just wedge it the rest of the way out and get to that light that's in there. Alrighty. That's about all I can say about that. So till next time. Cheers, guys.